Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to make sure your PC is running at its best for gaming Windows 11. First, go to the search bar and type Adjust the appearance and performance of Windows. When the window opens, select Adjust for best performance. Click Apply, then OK. Next, go back to the search bar and type Defragment and Optimize Drives. Open the tool, select all your drives one by one and click Optimize. Now type Disk Cleanup in the search bar. Choose your main drive and once it loads, select all the items listed, then click OK to delete unnecessary files. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape on your keyboard at the same time to open Task Manager. Click the Startup tab, then right-click and disable everything you don't need running at startup. If you have Discord installed, open it, go to Settings, scroll down to Game Overlay and turn it off. If you have Steam, open it and click on Settings. Go to the in-game section and turn off the Steam overlay. Now type Game Mode in the search bar. Open Game Mode settings and turn it on. Then go to Game Bar settings and make sure it's turned off. If you have an Intel graphics card, right-click on your desktop and click Show More Options. Open the graphics properties. Go to Manage 3D Settings. If you've changed a lot of settings and want to reset everything, scroll down and click Restore. Then confirm by clicking Yes. That's it. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.